down by fire did not tell its story more plainly than did this valley.
So a glacier starts with snow. Basically, if you've got an indentation or a valley in the mountains, it'll start snowing. If the temperature stays low enough, it'll keep on snowing until there's enough weight to compact that snow into ice. With gravity, the ice starts to move down the mountain, and as it moves, the friction causes it to freeze and thaw and freeze and thaw. As that happens, it works its way around the rock in the bedrock and starts ripping the pieces of rock out. This is called plucking. This material is then recycled in a way within the glacier, and when the material is on the bottom or the sides of the glacier, they act as abrasives and scrape the landscape. This is what creates your lakes, and this is what creates your glacial troughs or your U-shaped valleys. As you go down the valley, one of the features you might also get is a roche mouton, where the glacier has hit a harder band of rock and has worn away either side. Once the glacier has reached its limit and then starts to warm up, what you're left with is a mixture of soil and rock where it's been bulldozed in a way in front of the glacier and carried there, and that's usually called terminal moraine.